la 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 la. This is gonna be the best drawing ever of the rainbow. But I'm almost done the red. Doo-doo-doo-doo. And done. Wow, it looks so pretty. I'm gonna go show my sisters. Do you guys like my drawing? Thanks. I made it myself. I'm gonna go show my sisters. They're gonna say, "Oh, what an amazing masterpiece you've done, Curious Cutie." I'm gonna be so proud of myself. Hey guys, do you guys like my drawing? What's that you drew? I drew a rainbow. Wow, it looks so nice. Where's the orange? I didn't have any orange pencil crayons, so I just wanted to make it look like this. Oh, okay. I still like it. Thanks. Where's Chickadee? Oh, there you are. Chickadee, do you like my drawing? Yeah, I like it. It's a really cute rainbow. Good job. Thanks. I made it myself. Alright, I'm gonna go back into my room. Oh no, my drawing! Da, 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 da. I'm gonna put my drawing under here. And I'll put away the crayons too. I did a good job. Hey, what's going on? Oh no, what's happening?
Warning, warning. Rising lava incoming. Rising lava incoming. What? There's gonna be lava? Oh no, I gotta find something to stand on. Oh no. What? There's gonna be lava? I gotta find something to go on. Oh no. Ah! Guys, there's rising lava incoming! We know! Ah!
I'm staying on the table. Actually, no, I'm gonna stay here.
Guys, it's the lava!
Ah! The lava is everywhere! Ah! What do you think the lava feels like? I'm gonna touch it. No! Curious Cutie! Don't touch the lava! It's gonna burn your whole hand off! I can do that! I'm not putting my hand into the lava then. Then don't! Oh no, this is such a disaster! What do we do? I want to play with my dolls, but I don't know how to get them. They're all the way in my room. Here, Curious Cutie, use this blanket quickly before it melts. Curious Cutie, just go on the blanket. It's starting to melt. I did it. Great. How am I gonna get across now? What do you mean? Uh-oh. I think the blanket just melted into the water now. Great, now I'm stuck on the stairs. Carrie, shush, don't cry. Take this. Why is it so far away? Curious Cutie, just jump. Okay. Wow!
Curious Cutie. Whoosh.
you. Thank you, Chickadee. Curious Cutie, I was so worried. You almost died. Looks like I got my dolls now. Curious Cutie, can I play with that one? Sure. This girl with the blue dress is very pretty. And she has this same color like me. Yeah. Hi, Barbie. Hi, Catherine. Do you want to go shopping together? Sure. Maybe we can go get some Burger King. Ooh, and maybe some shades of glasses and maybe new clothes and maybe we can like go and get something for our kids. You have kids too? Yeah, just 2. Okay, let's go get something for your kids, and then you can get something for my kids. Their favorite colors are only orange and green. 2 of my kids are twins, so their favorite colors are yellow. Aw, I wish I could play with you guys. That's okay, Bixie Baby. Next time when the lava comes, you can come by the seats with me where Chickadee's sitting on, and you can play with me, and I'll go bring my dolls. Okay. Hey guys, I think the lava's going away. What? How? Oh. They're probably afraid of you, Chickadee. That's not true. Wait a minute. If I put this Barbie doll closer to them. Huh. So they're afraid of the color blue. Really? What if I go closer to them because my eyes are blue? That will teach them a lesson to go away. Hey, it's gone! Yay, we're back on the floor! Woohoo! And the blanket's there! Woo! It didn't even melt after all! Yay! I'm so happy! Alright, I'm gonna put my dolls back. Oh yeah! We both down. Yeah. Hey, I got a stranded hair on me. I'm coming over there to see my face. I look like a fish. Whee! Oh yeah. I'm kind of happy that the lava's finally gone. Me too. And me. Hey, where's Mom? You guys never told me where Mom is from earlier. She's at work. Oh, okay. Come on, guys, let's go and play in the backyard. Last one to get to the backyard is a rotten egg. Yay! Get back here, Big City Baby. I gotta get this hair off of me. That hair was nasty. I keep feeling it in my mouth. I'm coming, Big City Baby. Ah!